Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So we had a fairly strong rally on, well, not so much on the DAX, sorry. Felt like it was a strong rally on the DAX, but on the weekly bar, but actually it was just a range bar. So we are right here at this area, a 13271 range bar on there. Lots going on, lots of resistance, or should I say potential support to the left, which could flip to resistance. If it does flip to resistance, I think then the DAX is in for a bit of a lot more pain. But at the moment, if we look at the weekly, now you can see up, down, up. So pretty much a range week. This area is very, very important. That's 13271. If we reject this area and we stay below it today, I would expect another leg lower and probably coming down to break, will test the lows of last week and possibly break through that. So just bear in mind that these lows here are weekly lows, and there's a lot of support to the left for this area of 12,867, 12,89, oh sorry, 12,900. There's a lot of support in that area. So it wouldn't surprise me to see us bounce around in a range at all. Trend is down on the 3-hour. Look at the oscillators grouping quite nicely to the upside. This area for me is definitely something I want to be paying attention to for a potential short. Stop area is going to be above 13,441, and you do have a few other tails inside these two lines which would offer opportunity, and you'll probably pick it up on the hour here. So yeah, there you go. So you can see each one of these tails over here are going to offer support, and I'd go as far as saying that that's another fairly strong zone of potential resistance here. So for me, we did gap down this morning, now we've rallied again. I would be watching 13,300, 13,271. That's definitely the first area I'd be paying attention to. If we get through that, then I'd be paying attention a little bit higher at 13,382. So that would, if we sort of break above this area 13441, that would validate the double bottom, and then there's a different play on the cards. But for me at the moment, this is a continuation of the bigger trend, and the bigger trend is down. So this was just, in my opinion anyway, profit taking for the bears. The bears had been short for a while, and then they had a bit of a sideways day on Wednesday and Thursday. So then, Friday is like created a higher low here. Just get out of it and wait for the new week. So that's exactly what they'd be doing. Look at all the oscillators grouping to the upside. Guys, this is definitely what I'm looking for. 13,300. If we get some decent price action here, and that's going to be anything like this, inside bars, engulfing bars, or pin bars in this zone, on the break of that pattern, I am short with a stop above. And the beauty about that is it's going to be less than 100-point risk, and you are looking for probably a 400-point move to the downside, more than likely. What you do need to pay attention to on the 15 minutes on the intraday would be this zone here, because everything lines up here. So we've got some potential support here. We also have the 155 EMA sitting down here. So that's at 13,045. So 13,050. Get through that, then 1300 is the next level to be tested. Diversions here on the 15-minute, everything is pointing towards a move to the downside. So pay very, very careful attention to this. I wouldn't be chasing longs at the moment. Anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.